Hello students. Now students, you need to open your English workbook after completing your work in book number 2. So in English workbook, you have to open the page number 1818 and 1919. Students, as you know, we had discussed capital D and small d in our live class, and we had done in our book number 2 as well. So here we are going to do practice in our English workbook. So for that, first of all, you have to mention today's date over here, and please put tick on classwork. This is letter D, capital D. Say, trace and write. So formation I told you, firstly you have to make one standing line, then left open curve. D says duh, D the dog. Now let's start tracing, and students, you have to speak few more words that start with letter D. So you have to start with red line to the third line, that is blue one, standing line, then make one left open curve like this. This is capital D. D says duh, D says duh, D says duh, D says duh, D says duh. See, our tracing is done. Now after tracing, we are going to do write letter D without dots. So keep your pencil on red line here and make one standing line from red line to blue line. One standing line, then from red line to blue line make one left open curve. Capital D. Which letter is this, students? Capital D. D the dog, D the Doraemon, D the doctor, D the dolphin, D the drum, D the door, D the dog. So in this way you have to complete the whole page of page number 1818. Okay students, now after completing this page, you have to come on the page number 1919. Here also you have to mention today's date and classwork, and you have to write letter D. This is also letter D, but it's a small d. Okay students, so the steps are given over here, one standing line and one right open curve. D says duh, D the donkey, D the donkey. So let's start tracing. Keep your pencil on red line, come to the blue line. Make one standing line, then one right open curve from blue line to blue line. This is small letter D. Which letter is this, students? Small letter D. Speak, students. Small letter D. D the donkey, D the Doraemon, D the dolphin, D the doctor, D the drum, D the doorbell, D the dust, D the dog. So students, in this way you have to do practice in your English workbook on page number 1818 and page number 1919. Okay students, thank you.